Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel like Tech Programming. Today our topic is to discuss how we can create the logo without paying anything to anyone, or just like without paying any logo designer or just like graphic designer. So what kind of platform we have right now? It's called Brand Crowd. The exact platform, or just I'm going to say that if you need any free logo or just like business cards, social cards, and something, we have been more here like posters, flyers, invoices, menus, postcard, and anything. If you need anything according to your business, and if you wanna be created your business, and also your, like if you need Facebook cards, YouTube banners, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, business cards, logos, etc. and etc. And there are a lot of options, multiple options here. You can see this. So you can create here in this platform like Brand Count as to this logo designs. After that, if I'm gonna be try to make a logo for my business, so what should do I have first to do now? The first thing I have to do is just, if I'm going to be create anything, just like I have the business is called like football, and it football logos, not this exactly, football, create logo with the name of football. So I'm going to be selling the footballs. My product is selling to football, so all over the world, or just like to all over in my country as well, not all over the world. It's completely up to you if what kind of business you have been running. And what kind of traffic you need. The people comes to your brand, start communicating with you, just like start conversation with you. So what we need to do is, first of all, okay, tell about your business. You can see this. The first step is because I'm just adding my business name. After that, the keyword is just related to the keywords. What I need is like football. If I'm gonna say Messi, like this. And continue icon text or just text only. I did both. So you can see that we have two options. Styling, if I'm going to select this and unselect this and let continue to the logo, and it will choose our logo with the names. And if I'm going to be downloaded the and scroll down, you can see this, guys. We have multiple logos or icons. And it's gonna be a very effective designs we have been for to showing our products, to selling our products. If I'm gonna be selected this one or just like this one, any one of them, it's completely up to the users or just like clients or just like owners what kind of logo they have been selected for their products to show their product and showing to the exactly traffic people what kind of traffic, if they are came from any kind of just from the different kind of countries like UK, United Nations, is something like this, and Canada, and etc. and etc. It's completely up to you guys now. Okay, if you have many options, all colors, you can see, you can select the colors as well, and you can like this, like this, like this, and if you're gonna be search it again. So what kind of results we have been now? After if we gonna be apply the filter to our logo, so you can see this, guys. If I'm gonna be downloading anything, if I'm click on the download for this one, after what kind of results we have been enter the something like if we have been many other options like variations after selecting any kind of one logo, and I click on continue as well. So continue, wait for it because it takes some time to complete the process. The completion of continuing the process, we have been just selecting the continue. First we have been just enter our business now. After that we have been selecting the keywords like Messi, something like this. Any food preparer you want to edit your enter your product now to showing the your actual product to show it to your clients now. Okay, well, it's gonna take some time because the whole thing, if we want to complete it, The whole thing is this. So you can see. Okay, so here we have the last step, what we have exactly now. So if we have been selecting everything, we have been, if I am going to be cancel this, I'm not going to be like sign up with this. I already have an account. If you do not have any account, so you have to register to into this brand called website to create a free logo, business card, Facebook covers, Instagram posts, and etc. and etc. So you have many options to this. So you can just add it, football, like if I'm gonna be not adding the football, I'm just like FIFA 2022, like 2022 now. After that, I'm gonna be selecting the color as well now. If I'm gonna be selecting the color, so this color, this color, this color. So you have many different variations, kind of colors you have now. So if I'm gonna be selecting the background color as well now, so you can see this. We have been changed to a background color as well now. So we have been many different shapes. We have been logos now. We can add in the shape right here. If I'm gonna be, it's just like a complete drag and drop type. You can just only select it here and drag, select from here and drop it right here. So you can edit it very easily. So we have been very different categories as well now. So we have been background. So we have been layouts. We have been text styling as well. Add text. It's completely up to you what kind of text. And we have been logo. So logo color. If I'm gonna be selecting like this. If I'm gonna be selecting like this. We have been also a different color option schemes as well, like this one, which kind of colors we have been. So I think this one is suitable for this color as well, like just like with the text now. So we can create the free logo by using this website. So we have a very great platform, guys. So if you really like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like Tech Programming, and click the bell icon as well, and share this video, and I will provide the great or latest, or just like I'm gonna say that the tech infos about everything, if what kind of technology we have for free to creating any kind of product or any kind of website or any kind of app. So thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day.